If you're sending private messages on LinkedIn, did you know there's a couple of options you can select to improve knowing when the other person's going to reply and also getting some ideas for what you could reply back with. I'll show you how in this video. Here we go. So if you go to messaging, you can see various messages I've previously sent here and some replies, etc. But it tells me that the person's active now. But if I go to the drop down here and select settings and privacy and then go across to communications and scroll right down, I've got messaging experience. There's a couple of settings here. Read receipts, so if I click to that, so if they've also got it enabled, you'll be able to see when each other is typing and when the message has been read, so you know if you sent it at a certain point when they get to see it. And there's some more information here. And how it applies on mobile devices as well. So it's just important to know when they're likely to reply and that kind of detail. Returning back to where we were. That means that when you're typing, the other person is able to see that you're currently typing a message. The other option is reply suggestions. So it gives you some personalizable patterns of messages that you've used before, and just to inform you, it's just shortcuts, if you like, little quick things you can reply with. And it uses machine learning to work out one of 3 smart reply options at the bottom of each message. So again, let's see that in action. And here we can see 3 suggestions: thanks, thumbs up, or thanks for sharing, which you could quickly select. And remember that those messages will also appear on your mobile phone devices as well. So it's really convenient. So those are the ways to enhance your messaging experience with LinkedIn. They're always developing things, so give them a try and see how you get on. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.